The city was gone. A world once full of life now lay in silent ruins. Only one soul moved through the dust, a 3-year-old brown dog named Leo. Then, through the silence came a sound, faint, fragile, a baby's cry. Leo froze, ears raised. Something stirred inside him. Beneath a pile of rubble, he found a baby, alone, scared, and somehow still alive. Leo didn't hesitate. He picked up the baby with tender care and began the journey back through the broken city. In the ruins of an old bookstore, Leo had made a home. It wasn't much, but it was safe, and now it was a nursery. At night, he howled, not in sorrow, but in hope, hoping someone might hear, hoping the world hadn't truly ended. Leo scavenged what he could, always feeding the baby first. His instincts had shifted from survival to fatherhood. The baby grew stronger, crawling, laughing, always reaching for the warm fur of his protector. Leo kept him clean the only way he knew. Gentle licks, soft nudges. Their bond was wordless, yet deeper than any spoken love. While the baby slept, Leo watched. Every sound, every shadow, he guarded him like the last light in the world. Each morning, they woke together, two survivors, finding warmth in each other's presence amid the cold remains. In a broken world, Leo had found something worth saving, and in that child, hope had quietly returned.